What type of car this is?
So this is a 2015 Ford Mustang GT. It's a 5-liter Coyote, second gen, the automatic transmission. It's got some aftermarket wheel suspension and I think it's a Borla header back exhaust.
Wow.
I really enjoy it. I mean, it's a stock car, but it's still a lot of fun for me. I mean, I'm only 17, so I get a lot of enjoyment out of it.
So tell me, for driving, what tips could you give beginning drivers driving and maybe driving a car like this?
Don't be an idiot is the easiest way to put it. I mean, once you get more comfortable in it, you can start having a little bit of fun, but just don't exceed your limit. Like, really know your limits, because if you don't, you're gonna end up around a tree or in a ditch or something. So don't take it out in the rain. That's another big thing. I mean, these are street tires, but if you've got a pair of tires that aren't meant for highway use, Mickey Thompson's, Hoosier Slick, stuff like that, you're gonna end up in a ditch because there's no way to get the water out from underneath the tires. Brakes. I mean, you have to be really smooth with the brakes too, because as you can see, they're big old brakes and they're not really. If you kick the brakes at 70 mile an hour in this thing, it'll probably lock up, versus a car like a normal commuter car, you'll probably be all right.
What have you learned to respect about speed? You mentioned kicking the tires. If you're not careful, you'll go around a tree. Yeah. Give me a couple other tips that you can help beginning drivers.
Know the length of the car too, because the front end is a lot longer than, unless you're starting out on a truck, which I did for a little bit. Know the length of the front end, because you can see, comparing this to normal like commuter cars, front end's a lot longer. You can't hit bumps super quick like you could in a truck or bigger vehicle. You'll rip your side skirts off, you'll rip your bumpers off.
Perfect, brother.
Pay attention to your speed when you're getting onto the freeway and everything, because I mean, you'll catch yourself up 80, 90 mile an hour just like that. So
I really appreciate you sharing this. It's awesome. Thank you.